In this video, I'll show you how to connect an external microphone to your Quest 3 and 3S. The external mic could be one of these, but obviously it's not very practical since it's hanging like this, although you can probably tape it there or with a elastic, something like that. But you can also use external mics like a lavalier, so you can clip it to your shirt, or even a wireless mic. Well, the one that I'm using currently that I cannot show you, but you can use multiple different mics. So how do you do this? Well, you'll need to connect it to the USB Type-C port of your device. If you have the Quest 3, it has a 3.5mm jack. Forget about it. That one is just for output. It will not work with the mic. So we need to use the USB Type-C. Most mics have a 3.5mm connector like this one, and well, you'll need an adapter that is USB Type-C to 3.5mm. Now I'll put links in the description to those that I recommend. I don't know if all of these adapters are working, but the one that I have works. So I'm gonna connect it here. As I said, this one is not very practical since it's dangling like this. One thing that is important is that the mic should not cover this camera. Or if you have, let's say, a lavalier mic and the cable goes down and while you're playing it moves around in front, it will confuse your Quest and you're gonna lose tracking on the left side. So just be careful. One way to solve this, partially solve this, is to get one of these right angle USB Type-C to USB Type-C. So if you plug it here, at least the cable is staying clear from, this portion. It does not come in front. Once you connected it, we're not done. We need to go on the Quest itself and enable external mic. So let's do it. So how do you do this is you need to go into the settings. And from here on the left side, you need to go down until you see advanced. And then from here, you're going to see external microphone. Enabling this feature allows usage of external USB microphones. Restart for the changes to take effect. So you're going to turn this on and you're going to restart your Quest. And when it comes back to life, well, the mic will start working. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Again, please leave a like, subscribe, check my Amazon affiliate links, and comment down below. I'll see you in the next video.